Crack the egg like this. A. A means what you'll write. Follow the line and write, children. Right between the white line. Who is that? Madhuvanti. Even more clearly, have to write first a sleeping line and then a curve above. E. No overwriting and all. Very good, Sarah. Good, Manimalan. Adarsh. Yes, good, Adarsh. If you want, you can write capital letters Adarsh alone. Okay? Next is I like to hop, 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 up and down. Ha, 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 ha. Yes, Sarah, what do you want to say?
Say, what do you want to say?
Huh?
She's saying that.
Sorry?
ஊருக்கு போறோம் ma'am. She's saying that we are going.
Oh my God, when are you going?
No, ma'am. She listened to the Yukta and she wants to say something regarding.
Yukta said so. You also wanted to say, wow, naughty girl.
So she wanted to narrate something to me.
She's very sad that she's going. Huh? You are happily saying that now ஊருக்கு போறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்றீங்க. One of your friends is going to leave to Canada. Huh? What to do?
Okay, Canada போறா. She's asking, ma'am, while both the conversation, she's asking எங்க போறா, யுக்தா எந்த ஊர் போறா. She wants all the details. Okay, right, her. Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Ha, ha, ha means what you'll write? H. Standing line. Go up in the same line and a curve. H. Ha, ha, hammer. Ha, ha, happy. Ha, ha, hat. Horse. House. Next is Inky the mouse is my pet. She spelled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. What will you write? E. Very good, Madhuvanti. But that is not the way you should write. Follow the line, Madhuvanti. E. E. Yes. What will come for E? I for igloo. I for any other?
Say.
Very good. I for ink. I for igloo.
Ice cream, ma'am.
Ice cream, ink, igloo. Very good. Insect, iguana, iron box. Very good. Okay, next letter. Shall we move on to the next letter? Next letter is jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, ja, ja means what you'll write.
Yeah. Come here.
In the white line.
Ja, 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 ja. What will you write? A. See, from white line to the red line and a dot on top. Srinija, let me see how you are writing Jay. Your right, Nija. Very good, Master Nija. Slowly, whatever letters you find your mirror image, that slowly you have to concentrate and write. Yeah, very good, Nimalan. J for, what will come for J?
Jelly, ma'am.
Jelly, very good. J for next. Only J. J for
Jaguar.
Jelly.
jellyfish, jelly. G, very good. Yogurt, jam, jam,
Jungle, ma'am.
jungle, very good. Finish J. Okay, next letter is Yes, ma?
Right. Give me the mic.
Ah, correct, right. Mom and the dad makes many meals. Means what will write?
Right.
Between the white line only you should write. M.
Right.
M for? Yeah, very good. M for? Mambalam mango. M for mango. Okay, very good. M for Mokshita. M for
Holy.
monkey. That's what M for monkey. Mama, monkey. Mango. Mango. Then mama.
Four.
Any other?
Other thing,
Huh?
Ma'am, M for
Mat. Very good. M for mat.
monkey, ma'am.
M for monkey. Good.
M for mama.
Very good. Okay, next letter is D. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with the da. See me play up on my drum. Da. Da means what you write? D. Line and the curve.
from the deadline.
From the red line to the white line. Good ma. Nimalan, only small letters you have to write, Nimalan. Don't write along with the capital letters. I am asking you to write together, you write. Or else don't write. Sorry?
Ma'am, D for drum.
Yeah, drum. Very good. 1 minute. Let me hear from Nimalan. Yes, Nimalan's mom?
I told him to write only small letters, ma'am. He's writing on both only.
Yeah, that's become a habit, Nimalan's mom. You have to stop it. And I'm asking them to write only small letters. They have to write only small letters. Or else it will become a habit. When they're writing a word also, they'll get into the practice to insert capital letters in between. For example, if a word is hand, what they'll do is they'll write like this. Will it look nice if they write like this? No, right? So you just advise them not to write like that.
Okay, ma'am. I'll change.
Very good. Finish. Okay. Next phonic sound is, next what I'm going to say is L. Lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. L. Very good. L for
L for lift, ma'am.
L for lift. Very good. L for leg.
L
The
for
white.
leaf, ma'am.
Leaf. Very good.
L for lollipop, ma'am.
Lollipop. Very good. Good. Very good. Finish. That's it. And the last word is R. See my dog, the rat. Means Repeat what you'll write. Star. Standing line. Go up in the same line and a small,
Up
Go up.
and cut. Chinna, small.
small curve to your right.
No.
Come on, we can do it.
Do it again.
Okay? Standing
Hold
line.
my hand.
Go up in the same line and a small curve towards your right hand.
Lavanya, put it.
My dog, it ripped the rag. See my dog, it ripped the rag when he pulled so hard.
A for rabbit. A for rabbit, ma'am.
Very good. R for rabbit. R for rose.
A for
R for
Flower. One flower.
one flower, ma'am.
Only the white line. Only the white line. Sarah, we talking the white line.
Rose, ma'am.
rose. Very good.
Sarah, right.
Done, children. All of you have finished writing. Those who have finished writing, show me a slate, whatever you have written.
Right away.
I will see.
Very good, ma. Teenager, good. Adya, slate Adya. Very good, Mayan. Very good, Kevin. Adya, good, but very lightly.
Lollipop.
Very good, Ilango. Sarah, Adarsh also very good.
Ma'am, I dropped a lollipop.
Okay, she said very good.
Good lollipop, very good. Very
White
nice
line.
lollipop.
Then the
Say thank you, ma'am.
It is more.
Very good, Master Avanya. Sir, what you have written? Let me see your slate. Very good, Tara.
Mr. Chupin ఇంతదాకా ఏం నచ్చలేదని చూపి
What she has written in her slate? Let me see. Yes, good, Yukta.
she
Very good.
she didn't write the last two letters, ma'am.
R and something. What I've given last letter
R.
R and L.
Yeah, she wrote R, but she wrote L. She rubbed it again. She wrote D. She rubbed it again.
Fine, no issues, no problem. Okay, thank you so much, children. Keep your slate down. Join your hands and close your eyes. Sri Nija will say Kidzi anthem today.
Okay, ma'am.
Come on, join your hands and close your eyes.
You're with me. You're fan. You're unique. My potential inside.
You are the wind.
You're the wind. Finish my flight. You're unique. My potential inside.
You define me.
You define me.
My potential.
My potential inside.
Hmm.
You're the
No.
Today I pledge.
Today I pledge
With all my mind.
with all my minds.
I
I shall achieve my potential inside.
Yes, very good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning to everyone. Yes, good morning. Good morning, Sarah, Adarsh, everyone, good morning. Now stand up, all of you. Let's do the warm-up activity. Yesterday, one animal song ma'am played, right? The same song today again I'll play for you. Okay, come on, stand up. hands. Come on, come on, elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stomp. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Very good, all of you. Come on, all of you, go drink one glass of water and come back.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, Matilakar. Yes, Adya Sharma. Adya.
ऊंचा बोल बेटा.
Louder, जोर से बोलो आद्या.
बोलो.
Adya. Okay, marking you, Adya. Next, Ilango.
Ma'am.
Very good, Ilango. Nakshatra. Very good, Nakshatra. Nitish. Nitish is absent today. Kevin.
Here I am.
Very good, Kevin. Priyasri. Priyasri is also absent. Sara. Very good, Sara. Pranavi. Very good, Pranavi. Ravina. Very good, Ravina. Srinija.
Here I am, Elena, ma'am.
Very good, Srinija. Tilakar. Very good, Tilakar. Yukta. Very good, Yukta. Kadambari.
Stay here.
Very good, Kadambari. Good morning, ma. I have joined.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Shravanya.
Here I am.
Very good, Shravanya. Mokshita.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Mokshita. Nimalan. Adarsh. What is it?
Here I am.
Very good, Adarsh. Wait, ma. For you only I'm searching. Wait. Madhuvanti. Yes, very good. Thank you, children. Yes. Next is the rhyme session. Okay. First rhyme is oh where, okay? Oh where has my little dog gone? Oh where can he be? With his ears so short and his tail so long. Oh where can he be? Next is under a web, okay? Under a web, beside the gate, the spider hangs his legs are 8. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee. 6 black furry legs as she. One more time. Under a web, beside the gate, the spider hangs his legs are 8. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee. 6 black furry legs has she. Okay, next we'll move on to the concept. What concept we are learning these days, children? What is the concept that we are learning? Yes?
Animals.
Farm, okay, farm animals. Last week we learned farm animals, wild animals. From Monday, what we are learning? Yes, yeah, marine animals. Very good. We are learning marine animals. So we'll have a small recap of marine animals. Okay. Farm animals live in the farm. Yes. Wild animals live in forest. Why they live in forest? Because they are very dangerous. So they live in forest. And marine animals live in water. That's why they are known as marine animals. Okay. First marine animal. What is this?
Shark.
Shark. Very good. Shark. What is this? Seahorse. Very good. Seahorse. Crab. Starfish. Very good. Next. Very good. Dolphin. Very good. And this is lobster. Lobster, squid, blue whale,
Yummy, I love
dolphin, starfish, crab, shark. All these are marine animals. Okay. Now come on fast. Take your worksheet. D61 CT and D62 CT. That's the homework you have done. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you one by one. You're going to circle the marine animal children. Come on, D61 CT.
Ma'am, what is the worksheet number, ma'am?
D61 CT.
Okay.
Okay, answer.
In the worksheet. Okay, first you have to circle crab. Where is crab? Crab.
Ma'am, 61 CT, na ma'am?
Yeah, CT.
But it's already done.
Shadow matching page will be there, no? Let me check.
Match
the
it also.
shadow matching you have done, right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
That's it.
You
First,
are asking them to circle that.
first is crab. Circle the crab, children.
Okay.
Crab. Yes, Matilakar.
Crab shadow.
Circle only the crab, no need of shadow.
Circle only the crab. No need to circle the crab shadow. Only the crab.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good.
Not
Next is dolphin.
Circle only dolphin.
Dolphin. Circle only dolphin. Dolphin. Finish. Next is clownfish. Clownfish. That orange and black color fish, it is called as clownfish.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, page number, ma'am.
D61 CT.
Okay, ma'am.
Shadow matching page இருக்கும் இல்லையா அந்த பேஜ் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Next
Wait,
is
wait, wait.
seahorse. Seahorse. Okay, now another thing you are going to do, don't close the page. Stay there. You have circled no near that picture. You are going to write the initial sound, starting sound of the picture. Dolphin starting sound is D. So what will you write?
Right.
Means what will you write?
D.
Come on, write D. Very good. Near that dolphin, you write D. Next is seahorse. Sound.
Come on, go far.
No, it's not C.
Which what letter you will write?
See, she's writing C. No.
Seahorse. Seahorse.
Dolphin. First எழுது Sarah.
என்ன எழுதுறீங்க?
Yeah.
Yes, very good. Right, yes. Tilakar, what happened, Tilakar? Why don't you write?
I can't see that.
Next is crab. Ka. Clicking captions. Ka. What will you write? I told you to write the initial sound, no? Did you write? Write the initial sound near that picture. என்ன எழுதுறீங்க? What will you write? Next is fish. Fish you write. Since we have already written crab, need not write clown sound. We write alone the sound. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out.
Seahorse. Right.
Finish. First dolphin D. Dolphin D. Second is seahorse. Sound, yes. Third is crab. C. And
Correct.
fourth is fish. F. Have you all written? Now take these C2 CT.
Small, yes.
C2 CT. The coloring page that you have done as homework, no? That page. This page.
This page. city. Coloring.
This one.
Where?
Have you all
Shop
taken the
and
page?
window.
Okay, now circle squid. Very squid.
Circle the
Circle
squid.
the squid.
Cook.
Sarah, you didn't finish that worksheet, Sarah.
No, ma'am. We did some other worksheet, ma'am. Next page we had.
Today you finish it, no problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Squid. Next is stingray. Where is stingray?
Stingray answer.
Stingray.
Stingray.
Stingray. I got
This is squid.
Stingray. And the third one is shark. Where is shark?
Ayyo. Pundi in color chela pettu.
Yeah, very good, children. Next, we'll be writing numbers. Okay, I want you to take D60 empty. D60 empty. Number 31 to 35. And after finishing that, D61 empty. 36 to 40. Start writing 61 and 62 empty.
We'll try.
Parents, can you please focus the camera on what they are writing? D60 empty. And next is D61 empty.
60 empty.
Before the shadow page, you will have this worksheet 31 to 35.
Come on, Sarah.
And then 36 to 40. We have after, sorry, before that color homework sheet we did no D62 coloring page. Before that page you will be having. So first finish 31 to 35. 31, 31, 31, 31.
Sorry, ma'am, which page now? It is D62 empty.
Empty.
60.
60. Shadow page now we have matched, no? Before that page you will have. We did one circling page right now. Before that sheet you will have. Spell and write, children.
Spell and write.
3, 1, 31.
3, 1, 31. 3, 1, 1. Bad children.
1. Oh, no.
1, 31. 3, 2, 33.
3, 1.
31.
What is that?
3, 1, 31.
3 to 32.
3, 1,
I want all of you to spell and write. Shravanya, spell and write.
2, 32.
Kevin, spell and write.
3, 2.
Madhuvanti, spell and write. Madhuvanti. 3, 1, 31. Next is 3, 2, 32. Next is 3, 3, 33.
32.
Next.
3, 4, 34.
3, 3, 33. 3, 33. 3, 33.
Talk time, children. Are you all ready?
3,
After finishing the worksheet, we'll do a talk time.
3, 33. 3, 4, 34. 3, 4, 34. 3, 4, 34.
Today is Adya, Adarsh, Gupta, I think. Adarsh and Yukta. Three of you are ready with your talk time?
Ma'am,
I should
Yes.
report some lines.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Yesterday I was not feeling good. So I not Adarsh, ma'am.
Okay. Adya is ready?
She learned some lines. We'll see if she speaks.
No,
or
I
she
want the
doesn't.
20.
Yeah, no problem. Let us speak whatever she knows.
1, 2,
Yukta is ready?
35.
Yukta,
3.
Yes, ma'am.
ready? Yeah? Okay, fine. Next is D61 empty children from 36 to 40.
Thanks, Mom.
Srinija's mom, Srinija date is 8th October. The topic is amphibian or reptiles.
Okay, ma'am.
Mama,
3, 6.
3,
So 3, 6.
6.
3, 6, 36. 3, 7, 37. 3, 8, 38. 3, 9, 39. 4, 0, 40.
3, 6, 36. 3, 7, 37.
3, 6. Mention
7, 37. 3, 7, 37.
Very good, Ma Kadambari.
6, 36. 3, 7, 37. 37. Mouse it up, please, ma'am.
Very good, Mokshita.
3, 8, 38. 3, 8, 38. 3, 8, 38. Pranav, we finished.
Very good,
Praveen,
Praveen. Praveen also finished until 40.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, children.
38. 9.
3.
3.
Mokshita finished.
38. 9.
Very good, Malan.
What is that?
Nakshatra, right first.
0, 40. Finished.
Very good, Ma. Madhuri.
4, 0, 40. 4, 0, 40.
Srinija finished, ma'am.
Very good, Srinija. Sarah finished.
Not it, ma'am. She's writing. Make it fast.
Ilango.
Don't it, right? Don't. Writing, ma'am.
Correct. Kevin, don't play with your pencil, right?
Number
38.
38. Good job. 3, 8. சரி எழுது வெயிட் பண்றாங்க. Make it fast, Sarah. Okay, right. 3, 9, 39.
There is another page as well.
Sorry?
There is another page as well after D60.
D61 MD 36 to 40. That homework sheet we did no before that sheet will have. That one. Adya wrote fast. Finished.
अच्छा ठीक है ओके पहले ये लिखो आप ये लिखो
Lavanya, finish, ma'am.
Very good, Shravanya. Well done. Adya got chocolate for writing,
for talk time.
Chocolate. Jaldi likho, Adya.
She will do it later. Not a problem. You
Yeah,
can
fine.
solve.
Let her write later. Others finish by the time let her write.
Okay.
Even if she's having pending work also, later on you continue it.
Okay.
Others finish. Let's start our talk time. Nakshatra, you used to write very fast. Now what happened, Nakshatra? சீக்கிரம் எழுதுங்க பார்க்கலாம்.
Okay.
Yes, okay, children. Fine. You continue writing afterwards also. Today's talk time is by Yukta and Adya Sharma. First, Yukta will finish. Yukta, ready?
Your friend will talk. Okay.
Ready.
Yukta has joined in the name Yukta Balasubramaniam. You can pin her name, parents. Yeah, come on, Yukta. Start.
Cow is my favorite animal.
Very good morning. My name is Yukta. I'm going to talk about farm animals.
Good morning. My name is Sarah. I'm going to talk about Annamari bees. Hi.
Hi everyone, you're going to talk about cow. My favorite farm animal is cow. Cow will give us milk. It eats grass. It protects that cow well. That God well. That praises are for God. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Yukta. Clap hands for Yukta. Thank you, Yukta. Yukta spoke about farm animal cow. Cow gives us milk. Cow eats grass. Okay, like that she has told about cow. Next
Last
is
point she was not.
Adya.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Last point she was not clear, but she told we worship cow as God.
Yeah, we worship cow as God. Yeah, I heard it last point. Very good, Yukta. Thank you so much. I want you to reward her anything. Yukta's mom, you give her any reward, okay? Buy her anything and give.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Sure,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Next is Adya. Children, if you speak correctly in talk time, your parent will buy any gift for you and give you, okay? Come on. Yes, Adya Sharma.
Start. Start, beta. अच्छा चलो बोलो
Now
hello
only you ate
बोलो.
one chocolate. Another chocolate you will get. Chocolate चाहिए? नहीं चाहिए?
Start बोलो.
Good girl, good girl. अच्छी
Ma'am
बच्ची.
is waiting. Mom is waiting for you. Everybody is waiting. Hello.
Come on.
बोलो. Start.
Yeah, very good. Come on, Adya. Come on. I'll clap hands for Adya. Come on.
चलो.
Achcho, what to do? Adya.
1 minute. ठीक है चलो स्टार्ट बोलो मैं स्टार्ट करूं चलो ठीक है हेलो ऑल बोलो हेलो ऑल प्लीज चलो जल्दी आ जाओ हेलो ऑल
Hello all. My name is Adya Sharma. Come on.
हाँ आगे वी हैव हाँ farm animals like हाँ 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 आगे cow gives milk हाँ she gives wool हाँ chicken gives egg हाँ animals are very friendly आगे थैंक यू तो बोल दो से थैंक यू
Very good. Cow, hen gives us egg, cow gives us milk. That only you said, right?
and
Yes,
she
it's
said
okay.
cow gives milk sheep gives wool and chicken gives
Yeah,
egg
that's
and
what 2 sentences I was able to hear. Very slowly she has spoken. Very good, Adya. Well tried. Thank you so much. Clap hands for Adya, everyone. Very good. Thank you, children. Next, yes, finish over. Adarsh is not ready, right? Okay,
Yes,
children.
ma'am.
Now I want you to take your slate and chalk piece, children, again. Take your slate and chalk piece. Okay, the word which I'm going to say is I'm going to show you the phonic sound and the action. You are going to write the word. Clean your slate. First, erase, keep it clean. First word, an. An. Means what you'll write. Means what you'll write. Come on, write and show it to me. Let me see. Who is writing first? Let me see. An. First you'll write and so ma'am and then very good Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti first. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
An. Today only A words will write, okay? An. First and next an. Means what letter you will write. Means what letter you will write. That's it. Very good, Adarsh. And you have written. Super, Adarsh. Very good. Kadambari. Pranavi, Pravina. Very good, Ilango. Yes, Shravanya. Means what you'll write. You have written. Here the aeroplane. Very good, Nakshatra. Good. Pranavi, Pravina, take your slate and write. Anne. Very good, Nimalan. Good, ma, Shravanya. Next is at. At. The same way. T. First sound you have to write and then t. Na enna eluduveenga? What you'll write? At. Together we say it as at. At. First letter A. And the second letter is T. At. Very good, mom. Madhvanti, good. At. Good, Kevin. Very good. Nimalan, good. Kadambari, have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me your slate. Yes, children, after you finish, please show me your slate. I will know what you have written, okay? Good, ma. Nakshatra, good. But you have to write in small letters, Nakshatra. No need to use capital letters. Yes. Next word is am. Am. Means what you'll write. Mom and the dad makes many meals. Am. Very good, Madhvanti. Am. Uma. Very good, Kadambari. Very good, Nakshatra. Very good, Shravanya. Very good, Nimalan. Kevin. You have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Kevin. You are guiding him or he himself is identifying the sound and writing?
He, like, am, I said M, he wrote M, ma'am.
No. Like how I'm asking is, AM, am, எழுதுன்னு சொல்றீங்களா? Or else he himself is able to say AM, am ன்னு எழுதுறாங்க.
இல்ல மேம் ஏ தனியா எம் தனியா அப்படிதான் சொல்றேன்.
Okay. Yes, very good, Adya. Finish. Next is as. As. First எழுதுங்க. Next. As. As. Very good, Shravanya. Shravanya's mom, while she is writing, the slate should be slanting வச்சு எழுத சொன்னீங்கன்னா her letter will not go in that way. Straight வச்சு எழுதுனாங்கன்னா அந்த லெட்டர் வந்து ஒரு மாதிரி கிராஸா போகுது இல்லையா? So when she is keeping the slate in a slanting way and writing, it will come clearly.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Very good, Srinija, super. An, am, at, as. Very good, wonderful, everyone. Very good, Nakshatra, good. Madhvanti, good. Srinija, good. Shravanya, good. Adya, very good. Sara, super Sara, good. Kadambari. Kadambari, where is your slate, ma? I didn't see your slate. Very good. Ilango. Nimalan, good. Very good. Adarsh also. Good, Adarsh. Very good. Thank you, children. Now I want all of you to say goodbye to Yukta. Okay? From tomorrow, she will not be attending our session. Okay? I want all of you to say goodbye to Yukta.
Yukta.
Yukta. Have a great day. Yes, bye, Yukta. Yes, thank you, everyone. We are going to miss Yukta anymore. Yes, bye, God. Take care. Learn well. Yes. Thank you, Yukta. Thank you. Yeah, we are going to miss you a lot. Okay, children, it's time for me to leave. Yes, bye, Mayuta. Thank you so much for your cooperation, children. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.